Hello and welcome to all. In the previous videos, in fact, we have learned about what is about Wildlife Act constitutional provisions in respect of the Wildlife Act and protection of the in respect of the protection of the areas and important definitions. What are the important definitions that are covered under the Wildlife Act 1972, Wildlife Amendment Act 2006? We have seen. We have discussed about marine reserves, wildlife sanctuaries, national park in the previous video, and now in this video we will learn about conservation reserve. Okay, so as you can see, it comes under the category of the protected areas, but wildlife sanctuary, national park, conservation reserve, and community reserve are only covered under the Wildlife Act 1972. Rest of these marine reserves, community sacred groves are not covered under the Wildlife Act 1972. So we will learn about conservation reserve. Conservation reserve. What are conservation reserve? These are the reserves that are owned by the government. The state government may, after having consultation with the local communities, declare any area owned by the state government, particularly the areas adjacent to the national park and the sanctuaries, and those which link particularly those which link one protected area with another as a conservation reserve for protecting landscapes, seascapes, flora and fauna and their habitat. नेशनल पार्क्स के आसपास की जमीन को कंजर्वेशन रिजर्व्स जो कि गवर्नमेंट ने ओन कर रखी है उसको डिक्लेयर करेंगे, या the area that links one protected area with another. Okay, the provided that where the conservation reserve includes any land owned by the central government, its prior concurrence shall have to be obtained before making any such declaration. फाइन, अगर कोई सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की जमीन है तो उसको उनकी प्रायर कंकरेंस इज नेसेसरी. नाउ देयर इज अ concept of conservation reserve management committee that has brought into the Amendment Act 2002 along with the conservation reserve, that the state government shall constitute a conservation reserve management committee to advise the chief wildlife warden to conserve, manage and maintain conservation reserves. The committee, अब इसमें कौन कौन होगा? Representative of the wildlife department, who shall be the member secretary, one representative of the village panchayat, three from the non-governmental organization working in the field of the wildlife conservation, and one representative from Department of Agriculture and one representative from Department of Animal Husbandry. The committee shall regulate its own procedure. कोई उसके कामों में हस्तक्षेप नहीं करेगा. These protected area पर first introduced into the Wildlife Protection Amendment Act of 2002. Okay, these categories are added. क्यों प्रोटेक्शन इतनी कम हो रही थी तो इन्होंने बोला कि नहीं भैया और प्रोटेक्शन करेंगे, बिकॉज ऑफ द रिड्यूस प्रोटेक्शन इन एंड अराउंड एग्जिस्टिंग और प्रपोज प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज ड्यू टू द प्राइवेट ओनरशिप ऑफ लैंड एंड लैंड यूज. नाउ इन उत्तराखंड वी हैव 4 conservation reserves: Asan wetland conservation reserve, Jhilmi Jheel conservation reserve. These two are in Garhwal and these two are in Kumaon. Pawalgarh conservation reserve, Naina Devi Himalayan bird conservation reserve. Okay, so this is about conservation reserve. Now a similar concept we are having community reserve, but the difference between the two is that a community reserve is owned by the and volunteered by the private party, and that conservation reserve is owned by the government. Okay, these both community reserve and conservation reserve are brought into the Wildlife Act 1972 by Amendment Act 2002. The state may, where the community or any individual has volunteered to conserve wildlife and its habitat, declare any private or community land not comprised within a national park, sanctuary or a conservation reserve as a community reserve for protecting flora, fauna and traditional or cultural conservation values and practices. Okay, after the issue of the notification under subsection 1, no change in the land use pattern shall be made within the community reserve except in accordance with a resolution passed by the management and committee and approval of the same by the state government. Okay, now similar to the conservation reserve management committee, we have the community reserve management committee. And it has been included into the act in Amendment Act 2002. The state government shall constitute a community reserve management committee which shall be the authority responsible for conserving, maintaining and managing the community reserve. The committee shall consist of the 5 representatives nominated by the village panchayat, or if there is no village panchayat, such Such committee shall be regulated by the members of the Gram Sabha and one representative of the State Forest or Wildlife Department under whose jurisdiction the community reserve is located. The committee shall be the competent authority to prepare and implement the management plan for the community reserve and to take steps to ensure the protection of the wildlife and its habitat in the reserve. The committee shall also elect a chairman who shall also be the honorary wildlife warden on the community reserve. Now, who is this guy? We have already discussed. The committee shall regulate its own procedure, including the quorum. Now, this also has been included into the Wildlife Amendment Act 2002. And why this area is added? Because of the reduced protection in and around existing or the proposed protected areas due to the private ownership of land and land use. In Uttarakhand, we have no community reserve. Okay, this is the good thing. Now we will discuss the difference between the national park and the sanctuary. The difference between the national park and a sanctuary mainly lies in the vesting of the rights vesting of the rights of people living inside the park. Unlike a sanctuary, certain rights can be allowed. Where certain rights can be allowed, national park में बहुत सारे कम rights allowed होते हैं. Okay, no grazing of the any livestock shall be also be permitted inside a national park. While in a sanctuary, the chief wildlife warden may regulate it. नेशनल पार्क में तो अलाउड ही नहीं होते, लेकिन वहां पर वो रेगुलेट कर सकता है सेंचुरी में. इन एडिशन, while any removal or exploitation of forest produced from a sanctuary requires the recommendation of the state board. यहाँ पर स्टेट बोर्ड की जरूरत होती है. From a national park requires the recommendation of the national board. A sanctuary can be converted into a national park, but a national park cannot be converted into a sanctuary. Now we will discuss sacred groves. This is the part that is not included into the Wildlife Act 1972, but we will discuss it here. It comes under the category of the protected area. Sacred groves are those comprise of the patches of forest or natural vegetation from a few tree to forest of several acres that are usually dedicated to folk deities, देवता. ये तो हमारे देवता का पेड़ छो, यह हमारे देवता का जमीन छो, इस टाइप से. So these comprise of the patches of the forest or the natural vegetation from a few tree to forest of several acres that are usually dedicated to folk deities. These spaces are protected by the local communities because of their religious beliefs. हमारे इसमें देवता हैं, इस पेड़ में हमारे देवता हैं, इस पेड़ में, इस जमीन में हमारे देवता हैं. That ran through the several generations. The degree of sanctity of the forest varies from one grove to another. In some forest, even the dry foliage, जो सूखी पत्तियां भी होती है वो भी कहीं उठाने नहीं देता. And fallen fruits are not touched. People believe that any kind of disturbances will offend the local deity, causing disease, natural calamities, or failure of crops. For example, Garo and Khasi tribes of the northern eastern India completely prohibit any human interference in the sacred groves. In other groves, dead wood and dried leaves may be picked up, but the live tree or its branches are never cut. Okay. Classification of sacred groves. How these are classified? Traditional sacred groves. It is the place where the village deity resides, who is represented by elementary symbol. Temple groves is a grove created around a temple and conserved groves around the burial or the cremation grounds. In India, sacred groves are found all over the country and abundantly along the western ghats in the states of Kerala and Karnataka. In Uttarakhand, regional name in Uttarakhand Devbhumi is Bugyal, sacred alpine meadows. We also have sacred groves, but the traditional name is Bugyal. Okay. Now we will know about what are normal species, because many a times we struck up with these names or these words: endangered species, normal species, vulnerable. क्या होता है, ये क्या होता है, वो क्या होता है. Okay. Categories of plants or animals species based on these definitions are based on the International Union for Conservation of the Nature and Natural Resources. Normal species किसकी जिनकी जनसंख्या बहुत ज़्यादा है वो normal है. Species whose population levels are considered to be normal for their survival, such as cattle, alpine rodents, etc. Endangered species क्या हैं? These are the species which are in danger of extinction. खत्म, विलुप्त होने की कगार पर हैं. The survival of such species is difficult if the negative factors that have led to the decline in their production continue to operate. अगर ये ऐसे ही चलते रहा तो ये विलुप्त हो जाएंगे. The examples such are Indian wild ass, Indian rhino, lion, macaw, sangai. Vulnerable species, these are the species whose population has declined to such a level from where it is likely to move into an endangered category in the near future if the negative factors continue to operate. ये vulnerable species चले जाएंगी endangered species में अगर negative factors will continue to operate, and endangered species will extend if the negative factors will continue to operate. Okay, so this is the डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर आई हैव मेंटेन कि नॉर्मल स्पीशीज होगी, उसके बाद वल्नरेबल स्पीशीज बनेगी, अगर नेगेटिव फैक्टर्स और इसके ऊपर एक्ट करेंगे तो एंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज बनेगी, ज़्यादा करेंगे तो एक्सटेंड हो जाएगी. ओके, देन रेयर स्पीशीज आर स्पीशीज विद स्मॉल पॉपुलेशन में मूव इनटू एंडेंजर्ड और द वल्नरेबल कैटेगरी ऑफ द नेगेटिव फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग देम टू कंटिन्यू टू ऑपरेट. द एग्जांपल्स सच आर हिमालयन ब्राउन बियर, वाइल्ड एशियाटिक बैफेलो, डेजर्ट फॉक्स एंड हॉर्नबिल. एंडेमिक स्पीशीज क्या होती हैं, एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में रहती हैं. विद दीज आर स्पीशीज विच आर ओनली फाउंड इन सम पर्टिकुलर एरिया, यूजुअली आइसोलेटेड बाय नेचुरल जियोग्राफिकल बैरियर्स. एग्जांपल अंडमान टील, मिथुन इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल स्नो लेपर्ड यू कैन से, बिकॉज जहाँ पर स्नो होगी वहीं पर वो होगा. एक्सटेंट स्पीशीज, दीज स्पीशीज विच आर फाउंड आफ्टर सर्चेज ऑफ नोन और लाइकली एरिया, जहाँ पर उसको, जैसे हिमालयन क्वेल था वो 100 साल पहले पाया जाता था नैनीताल के आसपास, बट जहाँ पर वो पाया जाता है और जहाँ पर पानी जाने की आशंका है, अगर जब हमने उसको वहाँ पर ढूंढा बट वो वहाँ पर ढूंढने पर भी नहीं मिला, दीज आर कॉल्ड एक्सटिंक्ट स्पीशीज. अ स्पीशीज में भी एक्सटेंड फ्रॉम अ लोकल एरिया, रीजन, कंट्री, कॉन्टिनेंट और द पूरी पृथ्वी में से नहीं है भैया. एग्जाम्पल सच आर पिंक हेड डक, एशियाटिक चीता. ओके, विद दैट थैंक यू सो मच.